Today, I'll be talking about the LinkedIn strategy, which got us a lot of leads and a lot of appointments and sales for one of my client. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. It's a organic strategy, and we are not running any paid ads in this. All we are doing is having an organic approach of reaching to our target audience, to our prospects, and engaging with them on a very personalized level. Okay, so here you can see these are the people who are our target audience for the service and the products which we are trying to sell here. Okay, and this is the conversation, these are the conversation which we initiated with these many prospects. Okay, and now you can see these are the leads which we generated with help of this strategy. So you can see we were able to capture their email ID, their name, what they do, okay, and even their phone numbers, right? So you can see these are the prospect list. These are the leads which we were able to generate with help of the LinkedIn strategy. Okay, so to walk you through the strategy and how it works, what are the steps? I'll just show you this particular slide. Okay, so this strategy involves five steps. So the first step is defining the target audience, whom we want to target, whom we want to reach. Okay, so once we have that defined, now the second step is sending them personalized message and sending them connection request at scale. Okay, so our target audience or our prospect receive a connection request from us and also a personalized message in their inbox. Okay, which introduces ourselves and talks about little bit about the product and how it can help them to intrigue their interest. And once they find it valuable, they converse back with us and we have a conversation, and next we send them the link to book the appointments, or talk to our sales people for further steps, right? Now step 3 is obviously the follow-ups. We send a lot of requests and messages and not everyone is going to respond, so for that we have follow-up sequences as well. Okay. Now, step 4 is LinkedIn content marketing and engagement. So, what we do here is, for example, if you're connecting with 500,000 people uh, in a week. Okay, so what we do is we keep posting content related to our products and services on our LinkedIn page. And since LinkedIn organic reach is amazing at this point of time as compared to other platforms, it directly shows up in their feed, right? So think of it as retargeting, right? So when you retarget someone on Facebook, you have to pay Facebook for that to show your ad again on the feed of someone who already interacted with you or who already know you. So you have to pay Facebook to retarget, right? But in this case, it is easily solved by LinkedIn organic growth, which is currently amazing. So all we do is we just post our content and it is directly shown in the feed of our prospects or the connections who are connected with us, which is obviously our target audience, right? Which doesn't happen with Facebook or Instagram or any other platform, because the organic reach there has totally died out, and the only way to reach to your prospect on Facebook or Instagram is by running paid ads. But here we are leveraging LinkedIn's organic growth, and we don't have to pay any money for that, right? Now, step 5 is drip marketing for to our LinkedIn prospects. So once we have defined our target audience, we know these are the people, the CEOs, the sales guy, the marketing guy. Okay. So once we have the list of all those people, we can easily grab their email IDs, their phone numbers, and we can plug those data into our drip marketing, email marketing sequences, so they keep getting our valued post, and our brand is always on top of their mind, right? So these are the 5 steps which we do. This is just an overview, right? So yeah, broadly speaking, these are the 5 steps which we follow. And once people are interested, once they can click to the link to book a call with a sales guy or to talk to us either through email marketing or through the follow-ups or through the personalized message we are sending, which we are sending them, right? So with help of this strategy we are creating multiple touch points. Okay, so I'll talk about that here. Okay, so the outcome of the overall strategy is you don't have to spend any money. All you're doing is leveraging LinkedIn's organic growth, messaging services, email marketing, right? And which is a huge money saver for businesses because businesses spend, more than 50 to 60% of their profits on marketing or ad spends, right? But here we are totally leveraging LinkedIn's organic growth. Okay, so second is with help of this strategy, you have about 5 to 10 or even more touch points. So you are coming up on your prospects feed or in front of them like more than 10 times, I'll say, if you are following this strategy. Now, third is uh, we are able to engage with our prospects throughout our life. So once they become our connections, now since I said we have to keep posting content related to our service and product, so and it again shows up in their feed, right? So this makes uh, it's just like retargeting, right? So what we are doing is retargeting for free. We are not paying money to again show up in their feed or talk about our product. Okay, so I'll say it's retargeting for free for the lifetime once they are our connection, right? And fifth is you can create a highly targeted list of your ideal customers because with help of LinkedIn, you can directly reach out to the inbox of your ideal customers who can be CFOs or who can be CEOs, founders, owners, right? So that's the advantage here because in Facebook doesn't allows you to do that, right? In Facebook you can select the parameters, but obviously you can't see who is looking at your ad. They just show you the numbers. These many people saw your ad or these many people engaged your ad. But here you can actually see the profiles of the people who engaged with you, right? And the thing is, if people are engaging with your post, with your content, that if they like, they comment, it also goes to the connections of your prospects, right? So if for example if a CEO of a company likes your post, now the chances are he's friends with CEOs of other companies in his niche, right? The thing, so it's a chain reaction. So once he likes your or comments on your post, his connection sees your post, right? So in turn they like your post. Now people in their connection in level 2, they also come to see your post or your content, right? So this way, this is the organic cycle. This is how the reach of LinkedIn is way too amazing as compared to other platforms, right? Now, this strategy removes the guesswork because in most platforms you don't know who is looking at your ad, who's the person, what does he do. But in this scenario, you see who is looking at your content, who's engaging with your content, who's responding to your messages, right? So you see who you are talking to, right? And obviously, with help of this strategy, you can generate leads, appointments, and sales like clockwork. So this is a very amazing strategy, and I'll say it saves a lot of money because we are totally relying on the organic growth of the LinkedIn platform, which we are getting right now. And yeah, so that's all. Yeah, so these are the 5 steps which I mentioned earlier. So if you have any questions, do reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you. Take care.